So today is a very pleasant day to here again we are in the event of launching of Samsung Galaxy S series. Last year in February we launched Samsung Galaxy S21. This year Samsung came up with a very fantastic model which is S22. So you can say that this time S series become a Note series, because this time Samsung launched the S series or S22 series with a stylus pen.
S22 and S22 Plus both have 8 gigabytes of RAM and come with 128 gigabytes of storage. They also both come with 50 megapixels for the main camera, a 10 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel optical sensor. Both of them also come with a 10 megapixel front camera, so you can take those beautiful shots of your face. The S22 comes with a 6.1 inch FHD Plus screen, and the S22 Plus comes with a 6.6 inch FHD Plus screen. Now the Ultra came in much bigger this year with a 6.8 inch QHD Plus screen, which is much brighter than the FHD Plus. It also comes with a stylus, so you can take in notes. And also, it came with a much bigger camera this year, which is 108 megapixels, with also a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, such as the 22 Plus and S22. It has also come with a 12 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabytes of storage. Thank you.
The cash price is 1899 guilder, 1899 guilder cash price, and you can pay 260 guilder, 16 guilder monthly for 12 months of time. Galaxy S22 Plus is 2299 guilder of cash price and 261 guilder for per month price for 12 months. And S22 Ultra is 2899 guilder with 329 guilder per month for 12 months. Here, for monthly facility, there is no down payment. You no need to pay anything. Only you have to just bring your certain documents, and then you can apply and you can take your phone, and after that you can start paying it. So aquí nos prome cliente Mr. Thierry. Minera compré Galaxy S22 Ultra, the latest model of Samsung Galaxy. Pabian mire, Danki pa compra seca Omni. So aquí me da by entrega el teléfono para mí.